Automode provided by Claude. So this is a new update for about 3 months ago. So basically, whenever you're trying to use a Claude code, by default, Claude will go for the ask before edits, which is much more conservative mode that will protect all of your files. But with the recent change, I start using auto mode on all of my projects because otherwise I will need to keep on pressing the yeses for all the permissions. And that is quite disruptive in my opinion because I'm working on something else and I need to keep on clicking the yes for giving the permission to the Claude. So after ever since I used this auto mode, it has been working fine up until this morning. Something happened. So basically, I'm actually doing a mini project. So I wanted to check how do I back up my Claude. And what happened is that in cut a story short, what happened is that Claude accidentally deleted a big chunk of my file without my permission because I'm running on auto mode. So which brings me to another topic about it. Yes, auto mode is really good, but could it be really dangerous as well? So that's where I did a little bit of research. So I asked about in terms of the Claude Auto mode, how can I make sure that I have defined the permission wisely so that Claude doesn't overwrite me or just delete a big chunk of my files? So that's where after I done the research, this is something that you guys should do as well. I want you guys to go over to your computer. You go to the user, your username, and then go to look for this .cloud file. And you will look for this particular file that's called setting.json. So basically, this setting.json basically define what is allowable and what is like disallowed when they are running a Claude, like right. So this is like a permission setting. So that's where this should be available. Something like this. You go to a user and then go to the .cloud. That's where you're able to set this settings.json. So what you can do is that you can have Claude to audit this settings.json file for you to see to ask Claude to kind of like comment, is it really dangerous or is it safe? So basically in the end, so this is what I've done. Claude felt like it's a little bit dangerous that I open up some settings. So that's why I set a parameter whereby I told Claude that if I'm actually working on this particular project. Okay, Claude can only edit the files, write the files, delete the files, or like move around the files in that particular folder. And I feel like this gave me a lot more safety zone because I know that Claude will not go to my C drive and simply delete stuff. So that's why I want to record this video because my previous video I was like praising the auto mode was like saving me tons of time. But at the same time, if let's say you do not realize that Claude may actually go to a C drive, so that's why I want to talk about this video. So in the end, the key takeaway is that you should go and check your setting.json file, have Claude actually do an audit for you, and also check with them to see what are the recommendations that is working well for you. Because at the end of the day, you don't want a big chunk of your file is being deleted without you noticing because you're running on automate. So I hope that this video served you well. So if let's say you love my AI videos and you love to know about the different automation software I'm using, so I'm using these Facebook automation tools to get more leads and more clients in Facebook. You may want to check it out at julo.net/all software. And I look forward to see you guys in the next video then. Take care. Bye.